Abijah, 1 month old, snoring. That's pretty funny. I didn't know babies could snore. This one apparently saws logs.